So, how to be the most interesting person in the room. All right, so it's a takeoff on the most interesting man in the world. But even secretly, I think all of us like to be interesting, be the person at the party that others talk about later, like, wow, did you meet Bob, right? So, the purpose of this workshop is to help everyone who chooses to attend improve every conversation they have at SEMA and beyond. And in this session, we see it addressing three critical things. Number one, we know it's going to be practical. In the session, we're going to provide the participants a practical step-by-step process on how they can improve their conversations. And the process is going to be easy to implement and very memorable. So it's something that they will not help but put into practice immediately after the session. In fact, we're going to have them practice it right in the session. They will leave this session with some relationships that we believe will live beyond SEMA, this show here. The other thing is it's got to be relevant. And one of the things we focus on when we work with groups and organizations is, they're going to be more engaged and they're going to get more out of sessions when they're relevant. So based on our previous experience of being at SEMA and understanding and even working with some of the members and companies at SEMA, we know this session will be relevant to the broad spectrum of people that go. So they'll have an opportunity to actually walk out with something that's relevant, that's going to help them improve their business and simple to actually do. And last thing, in our sessions when we run them, we know they have to be entertaining. And when you think about SEMA, people want to get entertained, don't they? I mean, they may kind of give you a lot of reasons why they go into SEMA, maybe giving their spouse a reason why they want to have to spend all this money to go to Las Vegas for a week, right? At the end of the day, there's a lot of logical reasons why, but they also love to be entertained. So in this session, it's extremely entertaining. And along the way, in some of the laughs and some of the conversations, we are going to give them some things that they will not be able but help put into practice right after this session. So we're excited, and we hope you see how this can benefit the broad range of people that are going to be going this year.